Do you think you know our software? Just wait, you haven't seen anything until you attend Bolt-On University. Hi everyone, I'm Danielle Kraut, the Communications Specialist here at Bolt-On Technology to show you why people love coming to our class.
This Bolt-On University has blown my mind since I've been here just for the first day.
I love it. I've learned a lot here.
Learning more and more.
We're not here just to teach you about the software, right? We're not here to just, a lot of classes that you go to show you how, right? Here's how to use it. We're here to teach you why.
We didn't have one takeaway. There was like so many takeaways, and how are we going to prioritize it?
Energetic, passionate about what they do.
Festivities actually begin the night before class with a welcome reception. It gives you the opportunity to meet and mingle with other shops from around the country who are all a part of our Bolt-On family.
We've been running with Mitchell forever, but obviously Mitchell needed Bolt-On to pick up the slack.
Well, the guys that I've kind of been hanging out with, they're all into diesel trucks and things like that. I've learned a few things from them.
It takes me away from all the customers and the phones ringing, and I can actually sit down and focus.
Then rise and shine, because it's Bolt-On time. We're going to show you all the little tricks that you need to increase your shop's productivity and efficiency.
Digital inspection itself, it's such a powerful tool.
To me, this software is life-changing. It's game-changing.
To me, I get excited about it. I'm like, another training? Yes!
So, are you ready to get auto-motivated? If so, make sure you call your sales representative to register for our next class.